Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the following information carefully and answer the question that follows. In the Regal Hotel, one or more of the chefs are assigned to breakfast duty each day. The chefs are Rachit, Suchit and Tavish. No chef can be assigned to breakfast duty for 2 or more days in a row. And the question is, if Suchit and Tavish share breakfast duty 3 times over a 5-day period, which of the following must be true? Now, let's assign the days. The statement above has clearly shown that no chef can be assigned to breakfast duty for 2 or more days in a row. Now, Suchit and Tavish has to share breakfast duty for 3 times. Let's say they are sharing their duties on the alternative days. Now, the only chef left would be Rachit, who would be doing his duty on 2nd and 4th day. If we go through any other configuration, there is a possibility that there would be 2 or more days in a row where people or chefs are sharing their duties. So this is the perfect alignment for them. Now let's check the options. Option number 1 says, Rachit is on breakfast duty alone on the first of the 5 days, which according to our configuration is incorrect. Second option is, Rachit is on breakfast duty alone on the 2nd of the 5 days, which is correct. So, option number 2 is correct here. Third and fourth are incorrect as well. So the answer is option number 2, that is, Rachit is on breakfast duty alone on the 2nd of the 5 days. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the following information carefully and answer the question that follow. In the Regal Hotel, one or more of the chefs are assigned to breakfast duty each day. The chefs are Rachit, Suchit and Tavish. No chef can be assigned to breakfast duty for 2 or more days in a row. Now the question is, if Rachit and Suchit share breakfast duty on Wednesday of a week, and if Suchit and Tavish share breakfast duty on Saturday of the same week, which of the following must be true for that week? For the solution, let's make a memoranda of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now let's check out the options. Before that, let's read out the option given in the question. Rachit and Suchit share breakfast duty on Wednesday. That means Rachit and Suchit are sharing their duties on Wednesdays. And Suchit and Tavish on Saturday. Here we can see that no chef can be assigned to the breakfast duty for 2 or more days in a row. That means in this place and this place, neither of Rachit and Suchit are allowed. Similarly, on Friday and Sunday, neither Suchit nor Tavish is allowed. Let's check out the options. Option number 1 says, Suchit is on breakfast duty alone on Thursday. On Thursday, if Suchit has to be assigned, then the question would be wrong. So option number 1 is incorrect. Second option, Tavish is on breakfast duty alone on Friday. Here, again, Tavish cannot be assigned. So option number 2 is incorrect. Third option says, Rachit and Tavish share breakfast duty on Friday. That means if Rachit and Tavish have to share their Friday duty, then Tavish cannot be assigned on Saturday. So this option is incorrect as well, leaving us with the fourth option that says, Tavish is on breakfast duty alone on Thursday and Rachit is on breakfast duty alone on Friday. That means Tavish here and Rachit here, which is absolutely true. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions that follow. In the Regal Hotel, one or more of the chefs are assigned to breakfast duty each day. The chefs are Rachit, Suchit and Tavish. No chef can be assigned to breakfast duty for 2 or more days in a row. Now, for the question, which of the following could be true for a 4-day period? Now, let's say they are starting on day 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's go by the order. Say Rachit starts first, then Suchit, then Tavish. Again, it would be Suchit or Rachit because Tavish cannot be on the 4th day for the duty. Now, let's check out the options. First, on 3 of the 4 days, pair of chefs were on breakfast duty. Here we can see that it is impossible, so option number 1 is incorrect. For the second option, on one of the 4 days, all 3 chefs were on breakfast duty. Here we can see that there is no possibility, so option number 2 is incorrect as well. Now let's check out the other option. 3. Suchit drew twice as many breakfast assignment as did Tavish. Now, here we can clearly see that Tavish was on duty for 1 day and Suchit could be there for 2 days, so it's a possibility. Fourth option says Rachit drew 3 times as many breakfast assignments as Suchit. Here we can clearly see that there is no possibility where Rachit could be assigned for 3 times, so option number 4 is incorrect, leaving us with the answer that is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.